In this video, we shall discuss about intradiscal pressure and the very common do's and don'ts advised to a patient with low back pain. Coming to intradiscal pressure, we shall be educated to the patient to avoid recurrence, so that if the patient learns this thing, then the patient should avoid the particular postures which cause recurrence. The main thing regarding intradiscal pressure is bend with your knees and not with your back when you lift something heavy or bulky. This is very important. Bend with your knees and not with your back when you lift something heavy or bulky. In this picture, you shall able to see the intradiscal pressure in supine position, lateral position, standing, when flexion of lumbar spine, holding a weight in flexion of lumbar spine, in sitting posture in which intradiscal pressure is more than from standing, and flexion of lumbar spine in sitting which causes more intradiscal pressure than flexion on standing, and weight bearing in sitting posture with flexion of lumbar spine which causes more intradiscal pressure than holding weight in standing position with flexion of lumbar spine. The patient should avoid continuous sitting, flexion of spine in sitting position, and flexion of spine and holding weight in sitting position. All these should be avoided, and ask the patient not to do lumbar flexion on lifting something heavy. The patient should flex the knee, flex on knee to avoid more intradiscal pressure when the patient flexes on lumbar spine. This thing should be educated to the patient, and the patient should keep in mind this particular advice throughout his life to avoid recurrence of low back pain. Coming to the do's and don'ts of low back pain, and this thing, the proper talakyanna, which means the usage of proper head oil. If the patient use very cold head oil, then it causes recurrence of that particular disease, and it should be advised. This is very important while treating patients with cervical spondylosis and lumbar spondylosis, including sacroiliitis. This is very important, that advice to avoid head oil which is very cold is very important, and the avoidance of that particular cold head oil is very important in the management of this particular condition. Correct posture, the correct sitting posture for lumbar spine and cervical spine should be advised. The patient should sit in a way that the patient's lower back should be supported to the backrest in the preservation. That means the normal maintenance of lordosis of lumbar spine should be maintained on this particular sitting posture. Whenever the patient awake and get up from bed, turn to one side and then get up from bed is very important. And ask the patient to avoid lumbar flexion and flex on knee to hold anything from ground. Avoid Ratri Snana, that means the bath should be avoided at night, and ask the patient to take bath at morning before breakfast with holding water inside the mouth to maintain the temperature regulation, and ask the patient to take food 3 hours before sleep, and it should be light also. This patya, that means healthy lifestyle, proper advice to be followed, healthy rules should be followed to avoid recurrence of low back pain is very important, so that whenever a patient is treated and the patient get good relief after our treatment, at the time of discharge or after the complete relief of pain, patient should be advised with proper do's and don'ts, and also educate the patient with normal intradiscal pressure and avoid lumbar flexion to hold weight, as the patient to flex on knee, and avoid lumbar flexion whenever taking or holding weight from ground. This advice is of utmost importance. Thank you.